Understanding Stepfamily Relationships in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we will focus on the topic of stepfamily, under the larger category of family relationships. Family structures can be varied and complex, but don't worry, we're here to simplify things for you. So, let's dive in. In English, when we say stepfamily, we are referring to a family where at least one parent has children from a previous relationship. This family unit can include the following members: stepfather, stepmother, stepsister, stepbrother, stepson, and stepdaughter. Each term represents a specific family relationship. Let's break down what each relationship means. Stepfather. This is your mother's husband, who is not your biological father. Stepmother. This is your father's wife, who is not your biological mother. Stepsister, stepbrother. These are your stepfather or stepmother's children from a previous relationship. Stepson, stepdaughter. These are your spouse's children from a previous relationship. Remember, in each of these relationships, the step signifies that there is no biological connection. Now, let's use these terms in sentences. This will help you better understand how to use these terms in conversation. 1. My stepfather bought me a new bicycle for my birthday. 2. My stepmother is a fantastic cook. 3. I am going to the park with my stepsister. 4. My stepbrother helped me with my math homework. 5. My wife has a stepson from her previous marriage. 6. My husband's stepdaughter will be visiting us this summer. And there you have it. We've explored the term stepfamily and broken down the different relationships within this family structure. We hope that you found this lesson helpful. Continue practicing these terms in your daily conversations, and you'll become more fluent in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!